5,000 Christians in Simel in 1933.
I think in the U.S. we grow very complacent to how free we are being able to worship, and so we don't understand our brothers and sisters, in Christ in the Middle East, or these other Christians, or what they're going through, and we don't understand a lot of the text or what it means to be Christian and what that looks like. So when they hear things about genocide against Christians in the Middle East, many Americans will they don't want to hear it because it sounds so horrible, and they feel helpless. They don't think they can do anything. So they don't know much about what's happening. But it seems that you tell a story of hope, which I think is very Christian, if I can be so bold. I think there's a lot of hope. And so what message would you like to give to the Christians, not just in the West, but in the United States, who don't know much about what's going on, or who might know there's genocide and just feel it's too hopeless, they can't do anything?
When I visited the United States, I saw that the American people are Christian people. Like, it sounds different from Europe. In Europe, we have a very good Christians over there, but the community are like, when you go to the United States, you see a Christian community. I demand from the Christians of the United States that to back their brothers and sisters in faith in Kurdistan and in Iraq. And by backing us, like saying that, to helping us to get rid of the ongoing genocide against us. Like, until now, our towns, our cities, Nineveh Plain, they are destroyed. We need to rebuild them. We need to have an international protection for these territories, because they are in the line of war between the Sunni Arabs, somehow the Shiites, and the Kurdistan region. Kurdistan region now holds 90%, 95% of the Christians. If you want to help the Christians, help Kurdistan to get independence, help our country to be more powerful. And it's not like what happened to us is horrible, but we must somehow to change what happened to us to positive things, because if not, like migrating to outside, it's not the answer. I know many of my friends migrated. Many of them, they are now in the process of selling their lands, their houses, and their businesses, and to go to Sweden, to the United States, to other places. And we have very good friends now in Michigan, in San Diego, and other places. But that's not the answer, because that's the land of our ancestors, and we want to remain here with dignity, to live here with dignity. For me, I have 3 daughters. One of them is like 9 years old, the other is 4 years old, and the youngest one is only 2 months old. Like 9 years, 4 years, and 2 months.
I'm glad you're awake right now.
No. And I'm not thinking of going, I'm thinking of to get my PhD abroad, but I'm not thinking to go and stay abroad and leave my lands and my country, because we are in a process of constructing a new country, and a country for all of us. So I want them to help us with that.